Hi there, Daryl Adams here at Boom 1019. This morning I had a chance to meet Jackie, who is a wonderful person over at Jiffy Muffler on Pitt Street. I was getting my tires changed from my winters to summers, so I asked Jackie a few questions about tires and maybe a little bit of her personal life as well. Thank you so much for storing my tires, too. They're on rims and they are heavy.
Yes, they are.
So thank you for that service.
Not a problem.
Jackie, I just want to know, for recommended time to change your tires, change them over to winters and summers, when is the best time?
For fall, for winter tires, you're looking anywhere between October 1st to November 1st is probably your safest time, depending on weather, of course. And in the spring, we would recommend anywhere from April 15th and on.
Is there anyone you want to say hi to?
Yes, sure. I'd like to say hi to my kids and my grandkids.
Oh, yeah? Who are your kids?
Yes, yeah. I've got one in Sault Ste. Marie.
Oh, that's where I'm from.
Yes. Really?
Yes,
yeah.
yes.
And we have one in Toronto.
Right.
And we have one in Alberta. And we have one in Cornwall. So.
Oh, cool. And how many grandchildren do you have? Four grandchildren.
Yeah.
What are their names?
Oh, my.
Here she goes.
Rain,
I put it.
Lachlan. And we have Austin and we have Emily.
Oh, cool. Anyway, thank you.
Well, thank you very much.
Okay.
Okay, your turn, Brett.